All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still building our Gemini model from scratch. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, tonight, basically, we just added more notes to our walkthrough here. We did add a few pieces of code, but very few. And mostly it was note taking, and we did add some things to a few files. So let's take it from the top and show you exactly what we were doing tonight. So once our requirements are installed, we can move forward. The next thing we will do is create our app.py file. As you can see here, this is our app.py file. Now let's get an understanding of what we'll specifically be doing. What is our next play? Well, what's supposed to be next plan? What is our next plan or architecture of the code flow we will be creating? First thing we will do is upload an image. Then we will write our own custom prompt. The prompt is where we will ask our questions. Then we will have an output. The output lets us know that the image was built to certain specifications. Now let's understand the architecture. As soon as we upload the image, we will take the image and convert it into bytes. Then we will retrieve the image info. The next thing we'll do is take the image info and add it with our prompt. The image info plus prompt will get sent as a whole to our Gemini Pro large language model. One second. Now, once we are inside the Google Pro LLM, it will look for two pieces of important information. These are the prompt and the image. The Gemini Pro has an internal OCR functionality. This means that it will try to compare the two pieces of information and try to obtain an output. The output will provide us with the answer to our prompt, which is our actual output. So this is what we're specifically going to do. We're going to design our model, we'll write the code for our prompt, and finally we will get our result in the form of an output. And that's basically what we did. It's a lot more notes that we took. I don't really want to do all of that reading. And it's a lot more stuff we did. So let me just show you what we did in the app.py file. We added some notes here. So we have the invoice extractor. Basically, that's the functionality we're going to give our model. It's going to be an invoice extractor. So basically, we're going to enter an invoice into our model so it can give us details and specific features or specific things we want to know about the invoice. So yeah, this is it. We have an invoice instructor. That's the title of our app.py. Then we have the from.env import load.dmv. Then we have the method here, load.env, and this will load all the environments from the .env file. Now we need this because we're going to actually use that to get our API key. So you remember, this is a secretive file that keeps everything inside of this file secretive, and it won't get uploaded or downloaded to any other sites. It will stay here and it won't get passed along. So that's what the load.env method allows us to do. It allows us to allow all the environments, or it allows us to load all the environments from the env.file. Now, basically, that's what we have so far. Like I said, I'm taking it slow because this is the first time we're building a Gemini model. So we're going to take it step by step and move at a nice steady pace so we can get a grasp of everything that we need to understand. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.